Hi, my name is Pooja Lakshmi and
Hi,
I joined
myself
Unified Mentor as a
Drishalvani. I
financial
have
analyst intern
completed
for
my
3 months internship. The
internship with
internship
Unified
started with
Mentor as
structured
a
video
full
modules
stack
that
web
helped me to build
development
a strong
intern. It was a
foundation before
great
moving on to
learning
the projects.
experience. I
After
got
I
to
completed
work
the
on the
assignments, I
projects
worked on
like
3 finance projects
weather app,
that
which
aligned with
uses
my
API
field.
integration, or
Overall, this
student
was a
teacher
steady,
booking
structured
appointments,
experience that helped
which
me to
also uses
apply
Firebase
theoretical
and
concepts
Cloud
into practical
Firestore.
analysis.
I had
Hi, my name is
such a
Pooja
great
Lakshmi
time
and
working on this
I joined
project,
Unified
which
Mentor as a financial
makes my
analyst intern
knowledge
for 3 months
or my
internship. The
theoretical
internship
knowledge worked
started
into
with
the
structured
practical
video
ones.
modules that helped
It
me to build a
improved
strong
my
foundation
skills
before
in
moving on to the
HTML,
projects.
CSS,
After
JavaScript,
I completed
and
the assignments, I
also
worked
I
on three
happened to
finance
learn new
projects
skills
that
like
aligned with my
React,
field.
Node,
Overall, this was a
and
steady,
Firebase as
structured
well.
experience that helped me to
I
apply
had such a
theoretical
great
concepts
time.
into
Overall,
practical
the
analysis.
mentors
Hi,
in
my name
Unified
is
Mentor
Pooja
are so
Lakshmi and
supportive.
I
Any
joined
doubts can be
Unified Mentor
solved
as
if
a
I message
financial
them or
analyst
call
intern
them
for
in
3
any
months
time,
internship. The
which
internship
was a
started
great thing
with
which makes
structured video
every
modules that
task
helped me to build
easier.
a strong foundation
Thank
before
you,
moving on to the
Unified
projects.
Mentor, for
After
giving
I
me this
completed the
opportunity,
assignments,
and
I
I'll
worked on
recommend
three
to all
finance
the
projects
students to
that
gain the
aligned with
work
my field.
experience
Overall,
and
this
the
was a steady,
real life
structured
experience through
experience
this.
that helped me to
Thank you.
apply theoretical